Porridge, very nice, you know.
Yeah.
Super, it's soup international, man. Yeah, man, soup drink good.
Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this special Little People series, I feature a gentleman who has been feeding the BPO industry for over 20 years. His name is Joe, a friend of mine. He serves porridge and soups and stuff like that. I'm gonna have a talk with him right now. I'm gonna share that with you. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel though, remember, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing these, real Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. Okay, let's go. Original Mr. Joe, how you do?
Okay.
Good, good, good. What you selling?
Selling soup and porridge.
Soup and porridge. Good.
My brother.
Yeah man, what kind of soup you sell?
I sell chicken food with chicken leg, pumpkin and peas.
Pumpkin and peas.
Yes.
And red peas?
Red peas.
Okay,
red
good.
peas soup.
Alright guys, I should let you know that Mr. Joe and I go way back. For the record, disclaimer, I know Mr. Joe for almost 15 years.
Right.
When I work here, when I work across here. And so he used to supply me with my regular soup and porridge.
Dominican porridge.
Hominy porridge, yes, yes, yes. So I'm here now to pick him up, you know, to salute him for the work that he's doing. Mr. Joe, how long, I mean, I've been getting soup from you for 15 years, but how long are you in the business?
I mean, for 21 years.
21 years.
Right.
And I want to find out from you, well, first of all, I want to show my viewers again. I know this is that is a soup that you just did.
Right.
The soup.
That's a soup.
That is soup with the chicken foot. Look good. Let me take a picture. Let me take a picture. Alright, good, good, good. Yeah man, so that's the soup and you have the hominy in here. And
you got the peanut on here.
Peanut porridge looking good, looking good, looking good. But it looked to me like the soup is the biggest seller, man, because
This is the biggest
that's
seller.
because of the biggest spot.
The biggest spot. It's the biggest seller.
Okay, cool,
Yeah.
cool. Okay, good, good.
People love the soup in the morning.
Yeah, I love the soup. I normally just have my porridge and stuff. First of all, you know that you have it's a big job you're doing, right?
Right.
I call it the little people, but this is a big job you're doing because you know what you're doing? There are a lot of people who come out here in the mornings and don't have anything to eat for different reasons. For different reasons.
They don't have anything to eat.
They can't, yeah, they didn't get anything to eat and they're coming into the workspace.
Yeah, and they know Joe is here.
They know Joe is here.
Yeah, very early here from 5 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, that early?
Yes.
Big responsibility you do.
Yeah.
Big task.
Yeah, I have to get up from 2 o'clock every morning. 2 o'clock every morning, start my cooking, my work. Start from 2 o'clock
Wow, wow.
until 8 o'clock
Wow.
in the evening.
8 o'clock in the evening, full day. And people take it for granted, but this is a big job you're doing.
Big job,
Contributing a big way to Jamaica, to Montego Bay economy and Jamaican economy.
Exactly.
Alright, we see a customer coming, so we're going to pause a little bit. I'll deal with them again, alright? Morning. Come to buy porridge for my brother? Go ahead. Are you a regular customer?
All the time.
Alright, so you always check out Joe here.
Yes, I always do.
And why?
Because this porridge is number one.
It's number one?
Yes.
And which one of them?
Awesome. Peanut porridge.
Peanut porridge.
And
Okay.
the soup too. I do the soup, but
Oh.
I'm doing the porridge today.
Oh, wonderful. Well, thank you so much. Continue to support Joe.
I will.
All right,
Okay.
good.
Right.
This is a custom order. All right.
I'm Mr. Bush short.
Okay.
Come Mr. Bush.
All right, Mr. Bush. How you doing?
Okay,
Your name?
me sheep.
Mashik, what you doing here?
Buying a cup of soup
Why Uncle Joe's soup?
because it's one of the best I ever come across, you know.
Oh, which one of them by the way? Because he sell hominy and peanuts. Which one do you prefer? You have a preference?
Huh? Soup.
Oh, soup. Oh, soup, you know, man. Oh, soup. Okay. All right. Well, thank you for your time. Enjoy. You continue to support him, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Veteran in the business, the best man. Thank you. All right. would you say is one of your best moments right here? You've been here for 15 years, you said, right? 15?
Right.
Yeah, man. So tell me one of your best days, one of your best moments here. You have seen it all here from the street. So give me, you must remember one.
Best moment?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I remember my best moment now. What is my best moment?
Yeah. I can ask you worst moment too, but I want to hear the best moment first.
Oh, the best moment when I came here and sell off my soup, man. That's my best moment.
All right.
That's my best moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
Friend call him.
That's my best moment when I come a day and made my day and sell off my soup.
Okay.
Man.
Can you have days when you have some leftover?
Yes, I have days when I have a lot of leftover.
Okay. But for the most part,
away.
okay, good.
Yes.
It's a blessing, man. So you know, officially, I have to have my own again. Guys, I always have my soup from Joe.
Yes.
Not my soup, my porridge. I usually not have the soup, but normally have the porridge. So today I'm gonna have him share one for me on camera, so you can see that I do enjoy Joe porridge too.
Porridge.
Yeah, man. So right now, so we have peanut porridge again. Looking good. Peanut looking good. So I'm gonna have him give me a mixture of peanut and hominy corn.
Yeah, what size do you want?
That's a small one, man. I won't get greedy. Yeah.
I'm gonna pour the peanut at the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, you put the peanut at the bottom.
Right.
Is for a particular reason?
No reason at all.
Okay, good.
For the first one I serve. And this
Guys,
is
I tell you, this man makes the best porridge in town.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Excellent. I'm gonna take a picture again. All right, that's it. All right, so I'm gonna get my porridge from Uncle Joe. I'm gonna have the porridge now. I noticed something. I noticed you have something else that's not usually here. What is this?
This is potato pudding.
Potato pudding, original Jamaican, and it looked to me like a baked the whole time, way, man.
Yes.
Nice, man. And that's the last piece.
That's the last piece I have, David.
Last piece. All right, guys, this is mine. I assure you that. Uncle Joe on the go.
Last piece.
By the way, guys, I'm gonna pause to ask you if you appreciate this video. Go ahead and give it a like, man. I will appreciate that. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. I will doubly appreciate that. Thank you. How you do?
I'm fine, sir.
You come back. Where you come for buy?
Eh?
Where you come for buy?
I'm come to buy.
Yeah.
Well, when I come to buy nothing, that's a big up my virgin.
You know, I don't.
Pick up my virgin, call one of my pass and top and give me a nice cup of soap and
and fix you up.
porridge. Yeah, man, fix
Oh, that's
up.
nice. That's
yeah,
nice.
man, porridge very nice, you know.
Yeah.
It's soup international, man. Yeah, man, soup drink good.
All right,
Yeah,
respect.
Yeah, man.
All right, good. Uncle Joe in this business for 20 odd years, you said.
Yes.
How long are you gonna continue to do it, sir?
Well, I don't know how long COVID going to let me survive in it.
Jeez, that's a good question.
I'm thinking about the COVID right now in there.
Yes. But if we survive it, we survive the COVID,
Yeah.
you'll be here for a while, I presume.
Yeah, I
Right?
think so. Alright? Yeah. You find the place, Alva?
No, me just very small one.
Our office is straight down there, right down there, straight where see a car with light.
Alright, guys, so what you can see here as well is that Uncle Joe also give direction for people who don't know the place. Come to Uncle Joe and find out where to find places.
Hey, see, where I go there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
You get the soup already, man, from Uncle Joe? Have you had your soup already? Your porridge?
when we're ready, not so early.
Yes, okay. It got done by the time you come back, you know. I promise you. You have hominy and you have peanut
Oh, yeah, porridge.
porridge
Yes.
and you have soup.
Yeah.
Come and have your porridge, man. Come on. And guess what? Guess what?
How many corn porridge? Yeah, peanut porridge.
I want 2 cups.
You need how many corn?
2 cups. How much for?
Yeah, 150 and 250 and
Give me 250. 2 cups.
All right, nice. It's no joking. You should get. I'm doing a special promotion on him still, a feature.
Okay.
Right, but I don't joke, man. You should get your porridge. By the time you come back,
need it,
by the time you come back, you're done. So how you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Alright, so this is a lady who is seeking directions, guys. Apparently new to this area of Montego Bay. And guess who she come to for advice? Uncle Joe. Because Uncle Joe so you just not. So this is your first soup you're going to have?
No, this is porridge.
Sorry, your first porridge?
Yeah, for the morning.
Okay, I want you to taste it and tell me on camera how it tastes. How it tastes. Alright? I don't want you to make up anything or add up anything. Just be honest with me and tell me how you taste, yeah? I know you're on business, so we won't take up your time either. So,
Yes.
so don't close it up, Uncle. Leave the one they want Uncle Joe, make sure taste it.
Alongside again now.
Eh?
Big man.
Hold on, I'm going to catch her first. Yeah, man, let's get far enough. I'm going to want it. Alright, so you're going to do, which one is, what is that now? Which one is that?
How many corn?
How many cards? Alright.
Very good. Nice.
Nice.
I'm a porridge lady, so I know.
Okay, you know. Alright, so if,
You can go.
alright, you know.
Yeah.
You taste a porridge like this, you know it good.
Yeah, it is good.
Wonderful. Big up Sir Joe, man. Wonderful things I'm doing here, man, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, pick up Joe again still on the soup and porridge, you know.
Yeah.
Pick up Sheldon on the corner still.
Sheldon, yeah, man.
Sheldon that soup, man.
Yes.
I don't remember mix but I still pick him up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Sheldon are large. Yeah, man. Yeah, come here.
Yeah, man, okay,
No
okay.
problem, man. No problem, man.
Alright, big up Sheldon.
But
Okay.
listen, man,
Yeah.
I'm a virgin still, I don't remember mix still, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want to come on and tap and give me a
So why
cup
you
of porridge and soup.
why are you out of the mix, man?
Eh?
Why you
Well,
have
I don't know, but sometimes I say double chance still, they will always step in the mix. That's it. They will always step in the mix, you know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
man, pick up man Joe, cause enough
Yeah.
respect and honor.
Man,
Yeah, man.
I want to tell them, say them do a great job right here.
Great job, no matter. I show man, yeah,
Supplying
man.
people with food every morning.
I tell every
Yeah.
morning, pick it up and
Yeah,
drink
yeah.
their soup and
So even though today officially at Joe, we big up Sheldon same way, guys. This is Sheldon. A youngster, young guy, man in the business.
Yeah.
Doing well. He sell the same food. He sell him peanut porridge, my brother.
Yeah, peanut.
Peanut porridge same way. Peanut porridge and him soup looking good same way. Whoa, man, you guys are awesome, man. Big up on yourself, Sheldon. All right, stop. Big up Sheldon. People come from all over to get this man soup. They come in buses, they come in trucks, they come in cars, they walk foot. You know, if they could fly, they would fly here to get Uncle Joe soup, you know. So we have everybody here represented, enjoying them, getting them soup and porridge from Uncle Joe. See, another bus just driving. Another bus driving to get them soup. This man is doing an awesome job here. I told you guys that everybody come here to get them soup and them porridge from Uncle Joe. The taxi man here, somebody I'm familiar with too. I've actually run into him. Know him from a way back. And I see him come for order porridge. A porridge or soup you have that, my brother?
Soup.
Soup? Alright, so let me ask you. Alright, so you're going to check Uncle Joe for your soup?
Yeah, man. Years now. Whole per years now, me I buy from this man. The man,
The man
legit, you know.
Legit?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's 2 places
Years,
good.
man. More than 20 odd years now, me I buy.
What do you think? Because a lot of people flock in place. What do you think? Why do you think people come here?
Well, it's the treatment one give people, you know, and it's not a man in the front. If you come on and you don't have money and say, Joe, you know, it's a low, he might give you a soup. If
Still
you know
give
what,
soup.
he give you soup and him not charge you, him not tell you say you owe him. You understand?
Fair way.
Yeah, he might give you the soup and you're gone.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So that give you the benefit and the nerves to come on and come buy him soup.
Alright,
You know, see it?
alright guys,
Yeah.
alright. So from the word of the taxi man.
More time I pick up out some passenger them and they say they want a soup and make me carry around a Joe because my boss that I buy soup from.
Yeah.
So I carry them around
Yeah.
and make them get them soup.
Get them
And-
proper soup.
Yeah, after that the next day me out carry them then say, yo, you know, so the man soup tastes good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah.
Joe,
Straight.
him as one of the longest man both and one of the best man who cook soup.
One of the
both
best
here.
soup man.
Yeah, make can't left him out.
Nice.
Yeah.
Alright guys, from the word of the taxi man.
Yeah, man.
Richard, taxi man, I pick up Uncle Joe. Now here's another delighted customer from Sir Joe. Let me hear
Yes, just want to say that he's consistent with his soup.
you. Yeah.
It has that flavor that you can't resist.
Yeah.
And he's a very friendly and generous man.
Wow, so nice. All right, good. All right, Sir Joe, the question now, my final question to you, sir, is, in your mind, what makes Jamaica special?
I guess Jamaica special for the food, man.
I show you cook food, you know. Alright, what the food?
The food
It's
is
true.
very good.
It's
Very
true.
good. And the culture of the people.
True, true.
People
Love
very
it, love it,
loving and kind.
Love your energy, man. Now, let me, one more thing, Sergio, I forgot. If anybody wants to, you know, recognize you, big you up, salute, whatever, if they want a way to reach to you, how can they reach to you?
I can call my cell number, 810 3809.
Alright, and that's, we're in Jamaica, guys, so it's 876. So 876 810
3809.
3809. Big up, man, all the best, and brother. More life, more strength. Continue doing what you're doing, man. And I will continue to come to get the soup, but you know that. I'm a porridge, yeah.
Glad to see you.
Alright, my brother, bless it, bless it, bless it. Uncle Joe, what do you make of him? I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment down below. And remember, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell notification. I do a lot of videos capturing this, what I call the real Jamaica. I don't want you to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification. That way you get updated on all my latest videos. This is indeed real Jamaica.
Porridge very nice, you know.
Yeah.
Super international, man. Yeah, man, so drink good.